Before I proceed with the video, let me ask you a simple question, that what is the one thing that differs one people from the another one? Or I should reframe this question as, what is the one thing that is making a difference between the two people? If this question would have ever asked to me, the simple and the one word answer would be mindset. Mindset is the particular one thing that is making a difference between where one person is capable, whereas the another people is not capable of doing it. Hello and welcome everyone. This is me Rituraj and you are watching and talk with me. And in this video is totally going to revolve around the mindset. And in this video we are going to understand what mindset is, and we are also going to take a lots of cases and understand how mindset is really making a difference between the two people. Before I dive deep into the video, let me tell you a story. One of the very famous shoe company sent two of its representatives to an island. Actually, they had to set up a new firm there. So they sent two of its representatives to actually analyze whether the island is suitable place for the new firm to be set up or not. So when the first representative went there, he found that on that island no one was wearing shoes. So he became very depressed and he was like he was very depressed and he lost all his hopes, and he told that we cannot set up the firm here. Whereas for the second people, when he went there, he found that since no one was wearing shoes, there was an immense opportunity to set up their firm there. The only thing they needed to do is convince people that why the benefits of using the shoes. I think this story might have helped you to understand what mindset is and how it differs from person to person. Let's take another example of a rose garden. Looking at a rose garden, one people said that's so beautiful, full of roses, while the other people only sees the thorns. You don't even look what is the contribution of that garden in society, how it is making the society a suitable place to live in, and what's its contribution towards making the society beautiful. The similar third case would be, in an interview, one people was asked that whether the glass is half filled or half empty. So one people sees it as a half empty, whereas the other person sees it half filled. And that is really making the difference. The same situation is given to the two people, but they are interpreting it as a different way. All of us have a same sun, but one feels as though scorching heat, whereas someone finds it warm and most welcoming. Same rain, someone is finding it not at all suitable, and it's depressing for them. It's for the other person, it is very much welcoming. So with a series of examples, with lots of examples, I thought I wish you might have understood and understand the essence of what the mindset actually is and what is really making a difference between the two people. I hope this video would might have helped you, and in the next video we are going to talk about what are the types of mindset and how you can have a growth mindset. Also, we are going to look on the question that whether it is good to have a mindset, or is it possible that we can avoid having any kind of mindset. So stay tuned in this series of videos, and we are going to talk about this in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching.